Oh yeah. Do it in Elixir. Does it have Elixir? Oh my goodness, that doesn't count. Oh no! Those are hard to read. Come to my country, Brazil. We have electricity and good weather. That's all I need. Well, except for my family. And I don't think they're gonna move to Brazil. Do you guys think T drinks fancy coffee or drinks instant? Cocaine-laced mushroom coffee tincture, exactly. Start a new family in Brazil. We usually grind our coffee, live stream in Brazil. If I went to Brazil, of course I would live stream it. But like, we have a nice like drip coffee maker, but I like fancy coffee. Hey, Big Bill, thanks for the prime earlier, by the way. Does Brazil have nachos? What did I miss? We can do this now. Scene. And I can change it to here. From chat. He's just bougie. Some stuff is bougie, yeah. I like coffee with milk. I also like coffee with milk. That's what I usually have when I'm drinking. No decent nachos in Brazil? Oh, it's good to know. Enable random color scheme. Okay, we'll see if this still works, I guess, huh? Functions are kind of long. Yeah, I know. Tried Skull Crusher? I don't think so. What's going on? Why is it confused? That's just a random Neovim thing. Nice, it worked. It worked. All right, and if I... Why are the cool... Oh, sorry, Cone. That's happening surprisingly, like, high amount of times. Sorry, Cone. I'll give you a free one later. Why are the cool kids switching to Gleam? I don't know. I mean, it seems like fine language. I'm not currently writing Gleam, so, I mean, maybe you're just saying I'm not one of the cool kids. That's fine. Acceptable. Request response, request batch, enumerations. Socket close code, request status, event subscription. Gleam seems cool though. Yeah. It's not bad. All right, so now what we could do. Did he do a video? I think he did. Yeah, I think lots of people did videos on Gleam recently because it got 1.0. All right, so you have automatic coffee machine with a better grinder? No, we do separate coffee grinder and drip coffee. Yeah, my wife got it for me for Christmas. How cool is that, chat? My wife bought me this. She knows what my online name is. I'm so impressed. I know. She's pretty much the coolest. Doesn't spell TGDV. Like V60 from higher. It's Mocha Master. Technivore Mocha Master. Big W. Yep. Wife DVW. Big wife DVW. True. True, true, true. Set scene item enabled. You can do bang keyboard for that. What's a wife? It's available in AUR. No, in fact, I think it's banned from AUR. It's the one thing they don't allow. Soon be able to get one with ChatGPT. Oh, chat, it's gonna be very sad. Do not replace your real life friends with AIs. Okay? Don't do it. Get some friends in real life. It's fun to have online communities. I love this community, but get some real friends in real life too. Very important. Real friends? I know. Sorry. You're all of my, like, we have a parasocial relationship, right? Where, like, we're real friends in the sense of internet friends, okay, right? Like, I like you guys, you know, I like you guys just fine. Most of you, you know? But, like, you gotta make sure you have real friends too, okay? Very important. My best friend is Prime. That's fair, though. Most of you. Only one of my IRL friends can code, though. Yeah, me, same. Actually, that's not true. I have 2 friends now who are coders in real life. Friends who see the same grass. Nice, one of them's here. Sam, and then we're gonna get Adam to go hang out with us too. I had breakfast with Sam yesterday and saw him the day before and saw him on Sunday. How's my C course going? It's going well. I was working on it last night again. I'm working on it mostly at nights now. My IRL friend uses VS. Well, it sounds like you need to get new IRL friends. Okay? I don't make the rules. I'm just giving you advice. Red Fryer truck on Saturday? What? I don't get it. I have no dev friends on our own. That's at Shirai. Same for me for a long time. And then 2 just started coming to my church. What's up, Sam? I was like, I didn't have any IRL dev friends for like the longest time. And then it was just like, oh, hey, what's up? It did happen to be the Church of Neovim, but that's like a separate thing. It's a separate sort of issue kind of thing, you know? All my friends have Windows PC. That's why I'm alone. That one's all right. Did they convert to Neovim? You can ask Sam. Do at Sam. Ask at Sam Huckabee. Exactly. He's right here. You can AMA Sam. Religious. I mean, I go to, it depends on your definition of the word, but I would say on average for most people's definition, yes. Started this way, to be honest. Yes, it can happen, right? But it should transition into something else. Like, you got to have some friends IRL. That's all I'm saying. Only glaze over when you tell them to write code. Yeah, they're like, oh, so fix printers? Oh, like fixing printers? Can I do this? How do I do this as... How do I... Can I give this a different name? Having friends as you get older makes more and more difficult. Yeah, very true. Yeah, he was a filthy VS user. Still loved him. Alias module. That's what I just tried. Oh, okay. Maybe I just typed it wrong. True. As module name is a keyword list. Got it. Alias is a kernel function. Oh, it's just a function. So I can do it like this as well. Just nobody writes it like this because it looks goofy. Should you still use WebStorm? You win some, you lose some. Curse. That looks pretty gross, doesn't it, chat? That looks I'm gonna do all of these like this, and I'm gonna tell people it's the only way to write Elixir, so Shy Rise in pain. It's just, I'm only gonna write them like this now. Not like this. A quarter of a century, Sam. Def is a function? Oh! No. How does this work? Oh, like this? I don't even know how it would do end is do. Oh my goodness. I won't do that. That one looks too painful. Everything's function or a macro. Okay. Whoops. All right, so that's a simple one. This is a simple one, chat. This is a simple one. You know what we could also do? OBS message. Op is case op with or request 6. I was like, well, we can put op as whatever we want, right? But so then I could do like this, right? Hello, 0, identify 2. Oops, this one's 2. I read books saying, please don't write it like that. Yeah. Def module case if. Oh, baby. It's practically Lisp. Shy Ride, think about it. It's practically just Lisp. It's practically just Lisp then. It's just like one parenthesis away. You know, just move it to the left. You're pretty much writing closure. We could have picked closure. We kind of did pick closure. Oh, nice. Closure mentioned. Let's go. Yeah. Closure on Beam. No, I think current open source software. What? What do you even mean? Like, will GIMP in particular or all open source software? What's up, Sweet? Hi, YouTube chat. Just want to know I see all of you. We already have LFE. Lisp flavored Erlangs. Yeah. Any open source software like the famous ones? In 1 to 2 decades? I don't know. Probably some of them will get replaced. I don't have any good like hot takes for that. I have no opinion on it except that it's very difficult to predict the future. We're supposed to ignore YouTube chat. Nope, wrong. Should I dual box and sign into Twitch also? Yes, everyone should watch on all the platforms. Everyone should watch in all the platforms. Okay, so now we have set scene. That's pretty nice. So then we could do set scene item enabled, right? So we could go like def set scene item enabled. And then this needs a scene name or a scene UUID. We need one or the other, I think. Item ID and item enabled. So let's do scene name item is enabled. Okay. Nope. Wrong. Send scene item enabled. There probably is a way to do it with that though. Set scene item enabled. Request ID. Request data. Request fields. Scene name. Scene item ID. Oh no, I need item ID. Scene name. Scene name. Scene item ID. And scene item enabled is enabled. Bop. Bop bop. Elixir packaging on hacks. Does OBS get... Yeah, we could do an OBS one. We could separate this out in a separate one probably. I think Shirai is probably gonna use it. We can just... Shirai, you can just feel free to yoink this into OBS WebSocket here. Oh, do you have something, or you're just saying you made this one just as literally like, okay, nice. I'm thinking of, doing something like this, right? Just a placeholder. We can just, if you like any of this, feel free to just take it, and we can, or I can like help too with it. It's fine if I keep working on it. I don't know, but like you're at least. I mean, you could probably write this in a better way, anyways. So. No, thank you, Sam. Good job watching everywhere. Doing it with premium here and sub on Twitch. Oh, the ad revenue, the sweet ad revenue. Brazil. So now I need to know, how do I get item IDs? This was really annoying last time. List item, scene, get scene items. Search a scene for a source, get scene item, source name. Okay. With structs protocols, well, yeah, the problem is like scene items. So if you know what OBS looks like, you've got a list of sources in your scene. So you have to do this first to try and get an item ID, right? Like get scene item ID. This needs a scene name. Webpack is just all libraries using the same depths though. Oh dang. Oh yeah. Oh, I see what you're saying, Chara. Yeah, that's fine. That makes sense to me. So this part's kind of tricky because we haven't done this kind before. So we need to do this and get scene item properties. No, we're gonna do get scene item ID. C source name. Should just call this source name as well. Oh, whoops. There we go. Because now when we request this, though, we actually need to wait for this response. So, like, because what we're going to do is we're going to send something over to OBS. OBS will reply with a response here with a response field of scene item ID. What's the way that I write this? How do I write this style of thing? Nice, Moose. Very cool. Exception. Nim. Nice. Yeah, very cool. So, okay, so Shirai, I have a basically asynchronous request, right? Get scene item ID is going to send a message to OBS, and then sometime later, I'm going to get a response with this same request ID here. What's the, like, do I do this with message passing still somehow? Is there like a sort of common pattern you do to do this like async await style thing, but write it in like a direct style? Because that's kind of the, you could do it in a task and await the task to be done or something. That won't receive the message back and forth. Was away. So basically, I send a message to OBS. This is gonna need. This could be written different. This is fine too, by the way. This is fine to be written differently. Okay. One thing I was gonna check quickly too, just before I'm here, is I'm wondering if this is good. Let's just close out of these. I'm gonna send a message to OBS, and then like it's gonna respond over. So I send that via WebSocket message, and it's gonna reply with a WebSocket message, and then I can pull out at some point, right? Like I'll get a request ID. How would do I just pass in a callback? If you need state in this module for tracking requests, you need to make it a GenServer also to receive messages. It does need to be able to receive messages and probably track state so that it can handle requests. Yeah. Can't I pass it around in this state though? Wouldn't this be like, you know, message ID to callback or something like that? Or task or PID or something like this, right? Yeah, the tree sitter. Yeah. This part's all in a fresh module. I was writing stuff on how to make. This is just to make the messages. So this just creates a message. This doesn't do anything besides make a basic JSON like thing to pass, right? So this is all inside one module, all inside fresh. Yes. Now, I may want to tell this to do. This is probably already a GenServer for the connection. Right, that's what I was thinking as well. Yep. What's up, Tech Phone? Save the IDs in the ob state thing. How to make a real GenServer fresh as a gen state M. Yeah, because we could go. Buggins, how did you go about learning Neovim API? Help, Nvim, and then I read the API stuff of the things that I wanted to do. It's fine to do it here for now. Yeah, okay. So what I need to do is I need to go back to my config for this, right? Where I first create my application. And then the state here needs to be something like this with like requests is just an empty map. Right? Something like this. So now I have requests. So now I have this here, right? Empty map or list. Yeah. Okay, so that part's good. So then always read the friendly manual. True. You could also use telescope help tags, and then you can search for stuff like, I don't know, something with lines, and you're like, oh yeah, buff line count. No, I wanted to set the lines. No, I wanted to get the lines. Boom. If you know exactly what you want in your state, I would make a struct for state. Okay, sure. Def module, OBS state, do, end. Def struct, fields, requests. I don't remember if this is what this is right. I was just guessing. Not so bad. What are we doing today, and what happened to the rewriting Neovim config? Oh, it's funny you should ask. Because what we've got going on here is we're going to make the Neovim config a very difficult experience by being able to, you know, request random color schemes while I'm editing my Neovim config. Or, you know, making a random font. Like this. So we're first building a system to make this a less than ideal experience, you could say. For rebuilding the Neovim config. So that's step one to the rewrite, is make the rewrite more difficult. Okay, that's kind of like step one. So you should ask and then not actually answer. Oh, that would have been good too. And then you notice when I quit out of Neovim, and you check the rewards, they're all gone. You can't get the rewards anymore. So we're managing it all, chat. We're doing everything. Keep that one in your back pocket. Oh, I will be. I'm gonna use that one later, and I'm gonna pretend it was my idea. Like a good streamer. MIT chat, exactly. Definitely not like, we should be clear, MIT licensed. Not like, I think all of you are MIT material. You know what I mean? Like, there is a very big difference. Endless, you'd make it. I'm not worried about it. We're doing a telescope, made my boss have to pay you too. Oh, nice. It'd be full sale. Wouldn't know. Okay, all right, so if I do def struct requests, then I can go, can I put this here? Will this work? Can I go mixery.obs OBS, what did I call this again? OBS state. How do I make one of these? Oh, like this, right? Oh, not OBS. Hey, ob state. I can set defaults. Def struct. We're back. Really? Oh, whoops. Okay, nice. So now we've got this state here, right? So when we get a request, we should get request and request response. Okay. This part's a little bit annoying. Maybe we need to pass state into this as well. Whoops. Because I'm just thinking about how are we going to construct this, right? When we send a new message, we're going to get to here. I don't really want to encode and decode it like so many times. It's a little bit weird. Anyone in chat actually use Elixir in production? Yeah, we've got a few people in Twitch chat at least using Elixir for production. Then they think they got, and I think they got a lot of 9s of uptime, chat. I think they got a lot of 9s of uptime. Typing, whatever. It's all the same. At least 1 9. Sweet. Somewhere in there. I've got 9 9s of production. 9, 3 9.97, 1 9 2. It's like, that's a lot of 9s. Those 9s are my whole roll. What are you saving in requests? Nothing right now. Nothing yet. We're going to save something soon. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do for that. Because basically, like, when we send something here, I'm intending to send the request ID. One of our chat server teams built on Elixir, and that team has trouble hiring Elixir people. How do people have trouble hiring for niche languages? It seems like they're the easiest ones. Don't you just like post and like yell about it a lot online, and then isn't everyone like desperately like clinging to get that job because they really want to work on the language they like? It just doesn't make any sense to me. I mean, unless you're just way under hiring, that's a separate problem. We have issues. Well, that's a different story. Lots of people write Java. So then it's a different kind of problem. You need to be filtering more. What's with banter and stuff? Yeah, that makes sense, Albino. Yeah, if you had jobs for Rust devs, there'd be so many applicants. Yeah. C-Start mentioned. Let's go, Misko. Nice. Right, that's what I was thinking as well, Shirai. But I was just trying to think if there was an easier way for me to do, because not every message has a request, right? So, because I was kind of thinking like this, right? So when we have a reply here in RPC, there's only a few things where only in the case of making requests do we have an expected response, right? So I'm just trying to think, how would I write this? Right. Yep. Yeah. It makes sense. Handle in though, I have it back in JSON again. Right? Like this actually is, this is here. We pass the state to here. Because I need to do it when I'm sending an OBS message. So it's actually here. This is the only place really where I'm going to send requests. Oh, that actually makes it easy then. That actually makes it pretty easy. So we can do this. Now I'm just thinking. Because we already JSON encoded this. Maybe I shouldn't encode this already. Oh no, this is okay. I'm here. I have a message right here. Oh, nice. Request ID. But I need something to say. Holding on the river. In bigger orgs, it's much more difficult to get things to change. Boom. But we can change this to be here. There, it's more. It's culture more than risk. Yeah, it's just momentum. It's momentum, chat. It's pretty hard. Yeah, you realize the MS part is the reason why that's a lot easier, right? Like, less dev using Elixir means more good Elixir devs. Sometimes, yeah. Okay, so we send this and we say we have this, but I need to say that I want to handle this request. I need to do something when we get the result. So that's the part that I'm still not really sure. Like I could do something like this. But this seems kind of weird. This seems very anti-Elixir. This is how I would do it in like Lua. Right, is I would like store some callback and I'd run the callback when I get here later, right? When I get the response, when I go to handle it in and I get a, you know, opcode of 6, which is response, or 7, which is request response. But that doesn't seem very Elixir-y. It sure could mean hint someone making it harder to match on it. No, it's just that is just pass a function. Okay. Send the functions to the data. Yeah, right here like this. The data structure, no, the data structure is fine. We're matching on it now is okay. It seems broadly right. Check out put in or update in for updating nested data. Put in Elixir. I spelled Elixir wrong, but. Mm-hmm. Got it. Does that work for, it works for Matt too? Oh yeah, because it's state.request. This is a struct. Yeah, this is fine. This is fine. This is fine. I don't mind this. Just put this in the here, right? This is okay. It's just putting it into a map. This is fine. What's so crazy about this? This is just normal, right? Yeah, this is good. Okay, so then what would be smart here is I would do match or case op with, or is there, can I do like this? 6 or request? Does this work? There's no like or. There's no or patterns. Like this. That one's good though. I like this better. Do you regret quitting your job? Are you gonna ask that every time, Said? It's unbelievable. Oh my goodness. It's funny. Yes, I regret it terribly. I hate everything about this. Why am I here? What is going on? I'm gonna make you regret it. No, I will just ban you. That will be the easy answer. Only macros can be used? Oh, I need to just put this up here. Oh, I need to say def guard. Well, okay, I can just move it to the top, right? I just wanted to keep this sort of separate. Def module mixery dot obs ops. What? Def guard in the module? No, I don't know what you guys are saying. Try right. It needs to be in this module. Nah, man. Prime made me in the chat. Saeed. Maybe you should take that as a hint, buddy. Okay? Right? Maybe you should. Maybe it's not everyone else. Maybe it's yous. Maybe it's you, you know? Think about it. Just trying to help you, buddy. But yes, just use conditional. I just wanted to write a function because I'm going to use it other places. So I was trying to think of if I was going to use this more, but that's fine. I'll just do this. Shire says it's good. I'll just do it. I vouch for Said and I'm the most normal people here. No, but you don't understand. He can be a normal person. That's why he blocked me. Yes. Yeah, it's okay. You guys really don't get it, do you? All right. So here we'll go. I can just say handle info. This is the same thing as OBS request with nil. Or maybe I should be doing this the other way around. Maybe I should be doing this the other way around. This is really handle info OBS message op message, and then I can just do this. Oops. He said he'll unblock me on Discord, but he never did. Nice. So in this one, we update the request to have a callback. So if we want to have a callback, we do this, right? And now I go here, and we don't need to do any of this. We just say state. I wish I could. I don't know if you ever like teach. Nice. Oh, what up, Seth? I didn't see you in YouTube chat as well. Not good? You don't like this? I don't know what handle continue is. Chat, I'm learning. Refer to the tweet. TeachDV. Here. From TeachDV. Phoenix. Chat, this... Okay. Okay. This is the current situation. So, share my playlist. It's literally just Monster Cat Chill. Chat, I've been getting so many comments on this. Who banned the league spammer? I swear Sim 76 has the worst battery life out of all my computers. Every time I unplug my desktop, it turns off right away. I've been getting so many comments that clearly don't know how to read. Oh my goodness. It's been so funny, dude. Now imagine it running via. Why would I read more than the first sentence of a tweet? It's fine. You just normally don't want to call callbacks from the callbacks. Oh, I see what you're saying. Oh, okay, sure. So what I should do instead would I be like def send OBS message like this, right? And then I take this and I put this inside here. I see what you're saying. I should just do this. One's a classic. What up, Beastco? Oh no, what is Beastco linking now? What's a computer? Yeah, but chat, I read the article a while ago, the DHH thing, like a ton of his customers are on Windows. Like part of buying into Windows is he's just like, we're gonna make our product better, right? He's saying it's weird to call a handle info function from a handle info function. Yeah, and if you think everything about the web works the exact same on every platform, then that's probably not that good of an assumption, right? Like both in terms of browsers and other stuff like that, right? Like literally a ton of their customers use Windows, right? Does it look, you know, it's like easy to just try it out. Yeah. That's the reason I'm banned from Prime. Yeah, that makes sense. Boot camp customer, yeah, base camp. Wait, did DHH already leave Neovim for VS? Did I miss that? In the Windows one it does? Oh, I guess I didn't read it very closely. Can you send the link again? Is he just dropping his product? Good question. He doesn't say that he's leaving Neovim, does it? I don't think it says he's leaving it. Don't even. Hey, thanks, Maddie. It doesn't even matter that you can't remember it. I like that you've thought of Honey Joke and thought of me. That makes me happy. I offered, Vincer. I offered. Teach is pretty forgettable. Drew. Yeah, he was using LazyVim. Okay, this works for me. Shirai, is there any possible world where oh, well, I guess two questions. The first question is, these all run this still runs like synchronously inside of here, right? So like I run this, it does fresh send, and then it comes back to here, and then some point later it'll actually run the handling of the message. But it's not like I can't just like run this line and it like stops and then like this line happens, right? It's not like async await land. They're like a single thread. Okay, so it is a single threaded like it's a single process basically with one thread, more or less. Like that's how I should be thinking about it. The question about I first need assurance to not get banned. That's literally not possible. You could ask the dumbest question in the world, I might have to ban you, right? But you know, if you really believe it's a good question, you can ask in the order they are received. Great. Okay, that's nice. That's good to know. And then like when I send messages, this doesn't like trigger some sort of you know, like it just like basically adds them to a queue and then resumes what I was doing, right? So I will always finish this before this gets handled. This message getting sent and then returning back, right? Elixir is great so far. I'm having fun. Okay, great. Oh, Saeed, that's just dumb enough that I'll allow you to stay. I don't think that I'm wasting people's time. Some people may be enjoying me just for the entertainment value, but I think we provide a lot of learning opportunities, a lot of motivation for people, a lot of ways for like people to get enjoyment and build community. Lots of good stuff too, not just fun. And I do think fun is allowed. I know it's a dangerous position to take in 2024. I know that it puts me on the line, the chopping block, if you will, if we're allowed to use such language in 2024. But I'm going to say it. I think fun is still okay. And it can even be good. So it's been nice knowing all of you. It's been fun streaming. I know this is the last stream, but there you go. So even if it were just for entertainment, I still think that that's a valuable thing for people to have, especially entertainment that's like wholesome and like nice and you know, like it's a lot that like even if there wasn't any last stream, exactly. How do you feel, Teach? Wasting our time? Exactly. Last stream. Well, I said it was okay to have fun, so yeah, I think I'm about to get canceled. Last stream. Yep, I know. Doing in Brazil. Mod timed out. Yes, because that was still a pretty stupid question. The mods make their own decisions. Hey, thanks, girl. Appreciate it. Having fun in programming. How dare you? The mods are volunteers, man. They're not getting paid. I don't know what to tell you. You're lucky you only got the 69-second timeout. That's nice. Okay? That's nice. I love the relabor. Nice. Trust me, if I thought I was purely just wasting people's time, I would quit streaming, even if I thought it was more fun for me, and I'm not right now, but even if I was making more money than another job. Wait, is there an option to get paid? Actually, I actually was thinking, I did see this cool thing a little while ago that I thought I sent to Prime. I need to go look at it. But there is a way to like split like donations and stuff automatically, and I was thinking about doing that for some of my long-term mods, which would be fun. But we don't have any like TTS getting paid or anything right now, so I don't know how to. I have to figure some of that other stuff out. But you guys are actually helpful in the stream, so like even if I just send you $50 is like nice, you know. No one's forced to watch. That's not true. I do strap people down to chairs, close when their eyes open, and make them watch the stream. Buy them a beer. Well, if I see them, I definitely will. Listening to teach while creating Jira tickets to work on stuff after vacation. There we go. Increments. Yes, it'll only pay out of $69. Can confirm and paid watcher. Yep. We got a lot of paid watchers. True, I'm here by force. I wasn't following till today. True. Should have gone 420. He'll never get paid out though, Cephix. That's the problem. Well, you're lucky, Saeed. You're lucky. It's literally holding my eyelids open right now. In the other room. Dude, if we get Sun Chips ad money, Bisco, I'm gonna get you Sun Chips for life. Don't worry. Like, if I get Sun Chips sponsored, I'm gonna find a way. My mod, part of the contract, my mods need Sun Chips for life. Okay? What Sun Chips? Just the tastiest chips around that I wish. So also a long-running gag. Shoot, when did we do that? From TeachDV, Sun Chips. I like Garden Salsa. 2021, Chad. Look at this. Anyway, so many of these old Sun Chips. I forgot how many tweets we sent at Sun Chips. That's right. Oh, that was a long-running gag. That was a good one. Sun Chips, I've been trying to reach you for literally years about my love for your chips, particularly the ultimate flavor, Garden Salsa. Please, I'm desperate for you to respond to me. I have an opportunity to be the official computing chip of Twitch, sort of. Oh, man. There's some good ones. There's some good ones there. Some classics. Add some to shake my head. Shit. Exactly. I cannot believe they didn't reach out. Computing chips. That's what I'm saying. The jokes write themselves. The official chip of the stream, not Intel, not AMD, Sun Chips. Right? Am I right? You know, they just like, they're completely missing out on a market. Try eating an Intel. It's disgusting. Okay, you wouldn't want to eat that. Maybe they're British. True. Tastes like iron. Yeah, very high in iron, probably. Or an ARM chip. That sounds gross. The network is in the computer. All right, so now, chat, though, we need to figure out how we're going to do the... Oh, now we can handle the replies. Handle OPS message. So 7, handle, what did we call this again? This is going to be request response 7. Eating an arm. You cannibal! I was expecting to teach on a philosophical arc. About what? Sun bites in England? Oh, really? I didn't know that. That's funny. Like the actual brand is still called Sun Bites? They like changed the packaging and everything, not just colloquially everyone calls them Sun Bites, but even the packaging has changed. Hey Croning, I don't think I said thank you for subscribing earlier, by the way. And Bruno, maybe did I miss people subbing today? I think I did. Whoops. Finally, a proper language. Explain my question for like 2 minutes straight. Yeah. I think one from Walkers, but the name of the crisps are called Sun Bites. I think the packaging looks the same. Oh, interesting. Very interesting. All right, so we should have a message. We should be able to... We should have already decoded this message. So what we should have are these. Unrelated. Thoughts on the hot tamales candy? Oh, dang. I haven't had hot tamales in a while, but I do like them. Now I kind of want to order some. All right, well... Oh, are these even the same thing? Sun Bites? They look very different. Red Vines or Twizzlers? To be honest, generally speaking, neither. Like, I'm not a huge fan of either that much. Sun Bites, holy cow, sweet. This is like what you'd find in like I don't know, like an off-brand CW like remake where they can't afford to get real brands. That's what this looks like to me. User and hey, welcome. What are you up to? Wish.com Sun Chips, exactly. Like, what is this? What is this? Did they get this with AI? Where they like chat Jippity? Make me a logo with a floating chip and some red chili peppers. Like it looks like they did this. You know what I mean? Morning stream trying to be Turkish Prime. Oh, nice. What were you doing? Were you reading stuff or what? All right, let's see. Let's see how close it comes to this. Okay, this one's even better. Now that's blazingly fast. Okay. RBC might end up being used for. Oh, cool. It's very nice. Wallpaper. Now, to be honest, chat, I don't know how to change my wallpaper. I still have this as my wallpaper. This one could be a good one for Octane. Except Shirai made me a better one, I think. Like an overclocking app, yeah. Or just anything that goes fast. Anything that goes fast. Should I be doing like this? Def module mixery.obs request response do end def struct request type request ID. I want all of these to actually be required. No, you can post links. We let links. Kapansky chips. I mean, if it's a stupid link, you'll get banned. But this is a good one. Now I kind of want chips, though. Brazil? Brazil mention? It's a Brazil mention. I'll come back and ask about being unemployed. Okay, go ahead, Saeed. I'll just perma-ban you tomorrow. What? You need to speak in Portuguese? I can't. They'll post most Polish chips under the sun. Anyone has pink crustaceans? Is this a good idea, Shirai, or is this terrible? I don't know if this is good. Or any other ones. More like, bruh, chili. Say hi for the guys who's blazingly fast, yeah. I like this one. I like this one. This is good. This is a good one. I'm using Cody, but similar idea. From map. This should work. Response. Let's check. Do all of them always have this? Response status? Response data. Request type and assuming mirrors. Request status. Result. Code. Number. Comment. And this one's optional. This one's optional. This doesn't seem that good. Response data. I don't know if I'm supposed to do this. Oops, not nil, like this. There we go. Complex extraction clause. Known anti-pattern in that head. So it just is a bad idea? Because it won't match anything, right? You're saying? But I'm not doing any pattern guards. I'm just pulling these out of the map. Oh, okay. Well, I'll just leave it like this for now. Oh, and can I just do this? You're saying like this? This is the same? I really don't even need this. I can just go here. All right, well, we'll just see what happens. We'll just see what happens, right? Why doesn't it know what the type of this is? At spec, right? Doesn't know now. There we go. Nice. Can't use function calls in that match unless they're macros. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, this is the one that these should always be there. If these aren't here, we're in big trouble, chat. And then there's sometimes response data and sometimes not, I guess. According to here. Sometimes data, sometimes no. It's some of it's different, some of it's similar if you've written other like functional style langs before. Has anyone ever been full from eating fish? Like just fish all by itself? Oh, Elixir Adventure's going great, Jojo. We're getting pretty far. How many likes for him to reimplement the OCaml interpreter using assembly? There's no amount of likes that would make me want to do that. There is an amount of dollars, but you don't even, it's not a, like I would do it for $1 million. You know, I would try. I would keep trying every day for a year. But we're not going to change the OCaml interpreter into assembly, chat. I don't think I've ever tried to just eat fish only. Elixir vs. Gleam? I haven't tried Gleam, so I don't have any thoughts on it. So this, oh, and then we should probably map, is there map like pop or something? What does this return? Value and updated map. Okay, so I can go CB and requests here, and then I can go okay, state, requests, like this. Right? How to set up Java LSP in Neovim? I don't know. I think there's a JDTLS plugin that's very helpful. I'd just go read the docs for that and then see. They should make drinkable fish. What? The YouTube chat is off their rockers today. What are you building? We're building in short, a way to make it very difficult for me to write code. Very difficult. Okay. We'll do this. I like this way for now, I think, but I get what you're saying. Do you think you could code twice as fast if you had hands for feet like a monkey? Probably not twice as fast. It's mostly just me and my weird sense of humor. That's true. Okay, so now what I want to try and do is I want to try and send a request. We can go back to our bot. We go back to our bot here. Where do we have a teach DV? So now I can go here. We'll just do scene item, broadcast, OBS, request. If we do OBS request, you shouldn't even put in an opcode. Because that's weird. It's like pointless. Like obviously you're doing a request. It's in the name. When are you back to Laravel? I don't know. And then this needs to take some function. Response. And then do this. Laravel mention. Let's go. Oh, but I don't want to do this. I want to do mixery.obs message dot get scene item ID. So we'll do primary and then we'll do camera filter. For the configure, right? Yes, it's to make it pretty much impossible for me to rewrite it. We're gonna add all sorts of goofiness. I'll show some soon. We'll see if we can get this to work first. I'd like to know if I can get this request and then this response. So we'll try this way because I think now we have connections. So we should just be able to do recompile when we need to. If I do bang scene item for me, I should got hello message. So something crashed here because we should only get the hello message once. View. How do I see the logs? Show view current log. So something must be crashing here to get this messed up. Scene item. Okay, so we never send this correctly. Oh no, it's protocol undefined error. Oh, we're trying to decode something that's already encoded. Somewhere along the lines, I'm being a little too goofy, I think. Request. Oh, shoot, because this Does an OBS message. Okay, fine. We'll just take this. Whoops. For right now. This is not then what we want to do. We want to go like this, right? Primary and camera dash filter. Okay. Oh, let's go, chat. Look at this. Look at this. We got back our response with the get scene item ID 2. Okay. So then, right? So then we can say, we can just yoink this whole thing. So we definitely want to change up how this works, but that's okay. We'll get there in a second. Scene, we'll say camera off. Set scene item enabled. Scene name primary. Scene item ID. Whoops. Is, yeah, scene item ID. So that should be 2, I think, because that's what we just said here. And then scene item enabled. Scene item enabled, false. Okay, so we'll just try this. We'll see what happens. So we recompile here. We should hopefully see if we run scene item again, we still get 2. Okay, and so if, what did I call? Camera off. Camera off. Let's go, boys. I'm gone. I'm out. We're all done. We made it. We made it. Then I'm not going to turn it on manually. I'm going to turn it on by doing this. Camera on. True. Okay. Recompile. Camera on. Let's go! Oh, man. Chat, it literally has right here. It has to be me. Okay? It has to be me. I'm excited. I love coding, chat. Feed cam on. YouTube chat. You guys are off the rails. What is going on? What's up, Minaj? For now. No, I pretty much always love coding. I really, even when I have a hard problem, I don't dislike coding. I like solving it. I genuinely, like, don't really relate to the, like... Oh, shy right. Go put on a green one. Mic on, mic off. You can only control the camera for now. Mic off. That's what we need, chat. That is what we need. Dislike coding from a hard problem sounds like a skill issue. Just saying. I mean, if you want a super easy way to get likes, you just post this, like, image. Me looking happy, fix bug. Me looking sad, can't fix bug. Like this, you know what I mean? This is like instant likes, like this. But I don't, it's not true for me. Me still looking happy? Can't fix bug. That's me. This is me. We are not the same. I'm not gonna post it because I don't want to type it. I think it's I don't like it. Self-clothing tags are optional. Nice try. So I'm not going to post it because I don't like it. Meaningless. Exactly. I'm ex-HTML as well. I'm more of an HTMX guy now. Update on fish? I hate fish. Oh, what are we building? Camera off. Camera on. Bada boom, bada bing. Bop bop, pow. Hotkey that. Oh yeah. Camera flip. I think we can do that. We can set scene item transform. Oh, this is more than a Twitch bot. This is so much more than just your regular everyday Twitch bot. When we connect with Neovim, we turn on our Neovim rewards. We can pick a color scheme. Carrot, for example, which looks good. I actually like carrot. Hot dog. Dog on it. I need to put my cursor back in so the countdown keeps going. I'm stupid. Can I find color scheme? Hot dog. Oh, it can't be all caps. Oh, right. I think for pick color scheme, I shouldn't actually do lower. Because it doesn't work. Gotta type them exactly as they are. Pink Panic is out, chat. Pink Panic, out. Groove Buddy is the normal one. Did they fix Pink Panic? I don't know. I removed it though until someone fixes it. So now when you do pick a color scheme, if you type hot dog all caps, it should just tell you invalid color scheme like this. Free the Pink Panic. Oh yeah, now I'm feeling corporate, boys. Lot of base 16 ones, which is nice. Shine. Removed in the latest balance changes, exactly. Oh, nice, Melseers. Very cool. What was the nice one? The base 16 one, probably. Nightshade, you got a theme? I'll put it in. TJ's building Brazil. Okay, I gotta go pee and get a little more coffee. Oh, now that's a random font we can all love. RSFS. Look at these cute capital letters, chat. Okay, you guys can keep doing this. See if you can break it. I don't care. I don't care. Wow. Hey. Fancy meeting you here at the end of the video. Just go ahead, give it a smash. You know, wow, the like button. You can make fun of me in the comments for that one. I don't even care because you made it to the end of this video. Thanks, everybody. See ya.